Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome to another Knicks Knacks unboxing. Alright, we got two mega boxes of the brand new 2022-23 Donruss Optic basketball. Alright, these are, you get them in Target, $60 plus tax each. Alright, so about $130 this will cost you for the two boxes. 14 mega box Purple Shock Prisms. I know Fanatics has some megas. I think they get the pink ones, but Target's got the Purple Shock. So you get 14 of those in there. Also, like all the retail products, the blasters, all the megas, hangers, whatever they got, have the checkerboard prisms. That's the big chase in this. And Signature Series green, so possibility of autographs. I think I'd rather hit a nice checkerboard than an autograph, unless it's like a Paolo auto or something big like that. Alright, and there's going to be 8 cards per pack, 7 packs per box. Alright, let's do it. I also have a blaster box. I'll make that video as well. We made a video of same product, but in the like a regular retail box with like 20 packs in it. That was a really bad box, so hopefully these are better. This is about the same price as buying the 20-pack retail box. So at least this, we're going to end up with 28 Purple Shocks. So at the very least, we got all those. Hopefully hit, I'm sure out of the 28, we'll hit some decent rookies. Alright, and if you guys are watching this before Sunday, July 9th, there's a big giveaway I'm doing on Sunday night. There's going to be 20 different prizes, 20 different winners. Please look for the Knicks Knacks giveaways number 3 video on this channel. Alright, to enter, you got to enter by 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Sunday, July 9th. Alright, so look for it. It's on this channel. It's a few videos under this. You'll see quite a few unboxing. I think 4 or 5 unboxing videos, and then you'll see the giveaway video. Alright, here we go, guys. Alright, Scottie Pippen Jr. rated rookie. Anthony Davis, winner stays. My House Purple, Damian Lillard. Alright, Purple Shock, Jamal Murray. So yeah, good looking design. Purple Shock. And a backwards card. Let's see what that is. Oh, and the winner stays, I believe, is a purple. It's got the purple in the middle. Actually, that could be the base. We'll see when we hit another one. Alright, we got Chris Paul. And that is a Purple Shock. That one was just backwards. So, yeah, I never get too excited. You know, a lot of times you see a backwards card, you think it's going to be an auto or something numbered. But a lot of times it's not. Yeah, so 3 Purple Shocks in that pack. Let's see, total of 14. All right. So we got 11 more out of 6 packs. Wendell Moore Jr. All right, Team Minus Kawhi Leonard. That's a silver hollow or a hollow prism. We got a hollow Pat Connaughton. Tyrese Halliburton, Purple Shock. You can see the... Are those lines? No, that could be the background. Yeah, a lot of times the X-fractors and the shocks, they'll have little printing lines going across. I think that's just the... Yeah, that's just like the banner and stuff. In the stands, just the lines. All right, De'Aaron Fox, Purple Shock. That's a nice color match. He had a great year. Dyson Daniels, another, I'm not going to say a bad rookie, but haven't hit any of the big names yet. DeMar DeRozan, T-. All right, we got a purple Express Lane Zach LaVine. Kevin Huerter and Bryce McGowan's rated rookie purple shock. Another, yeah, hitting those big rookies. There's only 50 rookies on the checklist. Probably about, I don't know, I'd say 25% of them are like the names you're looking for. But, yeah, not so simple to hit those bigger names. Peyton Watson, Zach LaVine Splash, Hollow Tim Hardaway Jr., Purple Shock, Jason Preston, D'Angelo Russell, Mark Williams, winner stays Magic Johnson. Oh, there's a nice one. Jaden Ivey, My House Purple. I like that one. One of the good rookies. So our best card so far. And we got Cole Anthony Purple Shock. And for my New York Knicks, Obi Toppin. Alright, so we got a decent card there. 2 packs to go. Patrick Baldwin Jr., Jason Tatum My House, Miles Turner Hollow. Oh, we got a LaMelo. Right, LaMelo Ball Purple Shock. I like that. I'm a fan of Melo. And Christian Coloco Purple Shock. Who else did we get? Yeah, Jamal Murray, you know. Nuggets just won the championship, but seems like the Nuggets, you know, that fire from winning the championship kind of went out a bit. Let me just see Toppin, Cole. Even like a LeBron or something would be nice. All right, last pack of the first mega box. All right, Jabari Smith Jr. It's a base, but good rookie there. A top 3 draft pick. Tatum Express Lane. Hollow Diabate. And our last purple shocks, Kyle Kuzma and Donovan Mitchell. These guys are very similar as far as they were not like top 10 draft picks. They were kind of, they were both sleeper picks. You know, later picks that I forgot when Mitchell was drafted. I know they were both first round, later in the first round. And they both ended up being, you know, one of the top picks in their draft class. So these were, yeah, I get the same vibe from both them. Mitchell, definitely a lot better than Kuzma. Kuzma's a solid player, though. But Mitchell just taking it to star level. Kuzma just definitely not an average player, above average, but not on Mitchell's level. All right. Mega Box 2. Hopefully we got a better box here. I know there's got to be some Mega Boxes where you're hitting all the right rookie names, you know, end up with 7 or 8, you know, top rookies. Yep, a couple packs in there. All right, here we go. All right, Peyton Watson. All right, we got a rated rookie hollow. Come on, be one of the good ones. Kevin Durant, winner stays. All right, Herbert Jones and Jordan Clarkson, Purple Shocks. Oh, nice. Jabari Smith Jr. hollow. There we go. That's solid. All right, so already looks like it's going to be a better box. Right, we hit in the first mega or rated rookie hollows were Diabate. I think you get 2. Oh, did we hit a second one? Oh, there was only 1 hollow rookie. Okay, Musa Diabate. Unless I put 1 in the wrong pile. And I think we hit 2 Purple Shocks. Rated rookies. Yeah, and then we hit Bryce McGowan's and Coloco rated rookie Purple Shocks. Yep. So let's see. Yeah, most megas, I believe, should have 2 Purple Shock rated rookies and 1 hollow. On average, that could always change. Luka, Steph Curry. All right, Mark Williams. Steph Curry T- hollow. All right, that's nice. It's a Curry. And Keegan Murray, nice color match, purple My House. Yeah, box 2 already better than box 1. Purple Shock, Jacob Poeltl and Evan Mobley. All right, so Keegan Murray. That kind of matches the Jaden Ivey from the first box. And then the first box, the only good other good rookie was the Jabari base. In this second box, we got the Jabari hollows. So that's it. Box 2 wins with 5 packs to go. LaMelo base. Patrick Baldwin Jr., Luka T-, Kendrick Nunn hollow. And we got Danny Green and Andrew Nembhard, Purple Shock. All right, so there's one of our rated rookie parallels. All right, another Jabari. All right, he's been our rookie. Jabari base. So our third Jabari, 2 base and 1 hollow. All right, can we please hit a checkerboard at some point? That would be nice. Bradley Beal splash. Trae Young Express Lane purple. McDermott and Cam Thomas Purple Shock. Now, what I didn't see on the box are those numbered para. I don't believe there's any numbered cards you could hit out of the megas. Blasters, you can hit 101s and numbered to 10s and all that. What do they have? The copper two-tone and the glitter. There's these new parallels. One's like numbered to 88. One's numbered to 10. So, yeah, those are only in the blasters. Right, yeah. See, you look at the back, nothing numbered. But you're guaranteed all these purple shocks, which they load you up on. 2 blasters might be the way to go as opposed to a mega. But, you know, you never know. It might be easier to hit the checkerboards in the mega. I'm not really sure how that breaks down. So I'm not going to recommend one over the other. All right, Cade. But I do like chasing numbered cards. So a little more, you know, higher ceiling in the blasters. All right, Cade, Preston, Herder. All right, Walker Kessler. There's a good rookie. Ooh, what'd I do? Am I still recording? Hold on 1 second. My screen just like disappeared. What is going on? Did I hit it with my elbow? Hold on. Okay, yeah, I'm still going. All right, good. Tim Duncan, winner stays. Michael Porter Jr. hollow. All right, Marvin Bagley, Purple Shock, and the Greek Freak, Giannis, one of my PC guys. I've been called the Greek Freak way before Giannis bursted on the scene, back in the 90s. Maybe the early 2000s as well. Still 2 packs to go. All right, Jaden, Al Horford, Dinwiddie. We got Wendell Moore Jr. LeBron Express Lane. That's is that a purple? Or all the Express Lanes like that? Oh wait, let me see. Express Lane. No, that's how it. No, yeah, it doesn't have that prism shine. Yeah, so base Express Lane, but still LeBron. Oh, and another a new insert that we haven't gotten before. Kind of like it. Check it out. All right, Optical Illusions. Tatum and Jaylen Brown. That's a purple prism. That's nice. I like that. All right, Sengun Purple Shock and Chet Holmgren Purple Shock. Very nice. Yeah, Mega Box 2 destroying Mega Box 1. Yeah, that was just the nail in the coffin. But we still got a pack to go. Maybe we'll just add some more nails to the coffin here. And it's good to see the difference, you know, that one box to the next can bring you. Tatum, De'Aaron Fox. All right, another good rookie, Jalen Williams. And that's the good Jalen. Jalen with an E. Giannis My House. Jay Crowder Hollow. Ooh, another rated rookie Purple Shock. I think that's our 3rd or 4th. At least our 3rd, I believe. Yeah, definitely at least our 3rd. Alright, so... Oh, or is that our 4th? No, our 3rd. And the first Mega Box only had 2 rookie Purple Shocks. But, you know, not one of the top guys. All right, and our last card, Michael Bridges, Purple Shock. All right, let's recap, see what we got here. Let me just see out of the inserts here. Giannis, Duncan. Giannis is my PC. I'll put him to the side there. Yeah, I got Tatum. Yeah, a couple of Tatums. A couple Magic, Zach LaVine, DeRozan, AD. And what do we have? The purple. Oh no, these are the hollows. Yeah, the hollow express lanes. Hold on a sec. Actually, it's weird. The base express lane has like a purple. Oh, I guess that's a team color. All right, yeah, so those are the purple. Yeah, I think they're the purple. It's not Purple Shock. So I think purple Prism. Trae Young, Zach LaVine. Lillard, Purple My House. Some of the better ones we'll recap in, the cards I sleeve, the better ones. Yeah, I'll show the better cards at the end. But like Steph Curry, LeBron, Giannis, any of their cards I'll recap. Just like pulling a good rookie. All right, let's see the lower tier rated rookies. I'll just fan through them. Yeah, he's got the name, Scottie Pippen Jr. Hollows. Oh, and there was a T-minus Kawhi Leonard hollow. All right, let's see the hollows here. Jay Crowder, MPJ, Kendrick Nunn, Diabate rated rookie hollow. Miles Turner, Tim Hardaway Jr., Pat Connaughton. And this is out of both mega boxes. All right, Purple Shocks. All right, Bridges, Terry Eason rated rookie. I'll just fan through the rest. Maybe I'll call out a name or two. Nemhard rated rookie. Mobley, McGowan's rated rookie. Koloko rated rookie. Kuzma, Donovan Mitchell. That's actually solid. Depends how he does next year. I think he'll have another big year. Jamal Murray. Obi Toppin. Hallie, CP3. All right, now the top cards, in my opinion. All right, check it out. This was box 2 stack, and there's box 1 stack. So box 1, we did hit a Jaden Ivey My House purple. That's pretty sweet. LaMelo Ball Purple Shock. Yeah, Melo's one of my recap guys. I like Melo. And Jabari Smith, rated rookie. That was our only big rookie cards in box 1. Now box 2. All right, LeBron James, Express Lane insert. We got a Giannis My House. We got Steph Curry T-minus, and that's a hollow. Giannis Purple Shock. This was a cool Optical Illusions. Either a hollow or purple. Tatum and Brown. That's cool. That was the only Optical Illusions that we hit out of the 2 boxes. Alright, and then... Alright. Here's the big rookies. We got 6 of them. Jabari Smith Jr. base. Jalen Williams. Walker Kessler. Keegan Murray, My House purple. And that's nice. There's even some extra purple with the Kings colors on it. All right. And our two biggest hits all came out of box 2. Jabari Smith Jr. Hollow. And Chet Holmgren Purple Shock. So the number 2 and number 3 pick of the draft right there. No Paolo, but I'll take these two. So yeah, box 2 was good. You'd be happy with that. Box 1, not so much. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that. I'll have a quick blaster opening as well. I bought 2 blasters. I opened up one off camera. Nothing in it at all. So, yeah, that kind of... If there was anything good, I probably would have mentioned it during the video opening up the other one. But yeah, I was in the mood to rip, so I kind of... Yeah, I I just figure how much retail I bought before I started, like, recording these box openings. And man, I would have had tons and tons of content if I was doing it at the time. You know, over a couple months, I went through thousands of dollars of retail. I found some... I went all over Long Island looking for Targets and Walmarts that had good stuff. And I found a couple of, like, honey holes just with products you don't see everywhere. So now any retail I buy, I try to save to record box openings, you know. Alright, thank you guys. See you all this weekend. Yeah, if you're watching this, I'm dropping this July 7th. So, yeah, July 7th, 2023. So, yeah, if you're watching it before the weekend, look for the breaks I got. I got 4 breaks this weekend. Topps Heritage and Top Series 2. Just all baseball breaks, 2 of each. I will be breaking a lot more, working my way back into it. And what else? And a big giveaway Sunday night. So please look for the Knicks Snacks giveaways number 3 entry video. It's a few videos below this video, so just look for it and enter. And Sunday you'll have a chance to win one of 20 prizes. All right, thank you very much, guys.